Are you a business owner wondering how you should use AI or unsure what problem you should be solving with it? Then this video is for you. Why AI? Because you want your business to be innovative and thriving. You understand that change is the only constant, and you're ready to embrace it. You're a leader with a bold vision for your company. AI can help you achieve that vision, while positioning your organization as future-ready and appealing to Gen Z and Gen Alpha talent and customers. AI can drive efficiency across every part of your business. Customer service, hiring and recruitment, marketing, sales, operations. If you're in the healthcare sector, AI is more than a tool, it's a transformation. Automate patient pre-screening and appointment booking, helping you achieve better outcomes, build patient trust, and elevate the standard of care. At Dasinfomedia, we build custom AI agents tailored to your unique business needs.